restart a visit. There may be instances where we may not be able to finish all the electrodiagnostic test procedures within a single session. Some studies will be done in the first session, and the remaining studies may be done in the second session. Nevertheless, we would like to have all the data and measurements from the two sessions in a single patient record. And also, we would like to generate a single report using the measurements from the two sessions. How do we accomplish this? Here is an example of a fictitious patient that I have created. And in this patient, we have done nerve conduction studies so far. I'm going to click on test history, and here are the studies. If I look at the report, it contains only the measurements of nerve conduction studies. We need to do the needle EMG study in another session. I'm going to close this report, and I will also close this visit by clicking on the new patient or patient list icon. All the measurements, reports, and everything from the first session is saved, and that record is closed. We can use the system for studying other patients. Let us now consider the time when the patient has come back for the second session of studies. Click on the Patients button if necessary, and identify the patient. I will click on it, and the window below shows me the details of my earlier study, the visit date and time. To reactivate this investigation, click on the Acquire Visit icon. The patient and visit information is loaded in the system, and we are ready to perform additional tests. Let's do some needle EMG examination. I am finished with the needle EMG examination. Let us now look at the report. Notice that this report contains information from the earlier testing, where we performed nerve conduction studies, and the testing from the second session, where the needle EMG examination was performed. Thus, we have a single report from the two test sessions. One can add the summary and conclusion as appropriate and close the report. To close the second test session, click on the Patients or New Patient icon. When we look at the patient list and the details of our test patient, notice that we have a single visit in this record, although the testing was performed on two separate occasions.